So I always say to connect with your body, it's the best medicine. And so swim in the water, walk in the nature, and the earth is nature. The earth is your creation, because the earth gave the human existence. Without earth we're not here. So your body is full of minerals. Breathe in and out. Feel your body. Maybe you had a negative message or a conflict with somebody. Feel what it's doing. This conflict with yourself, with others, with your body, with money, with relations. Feel how it is in your body. And breathe in and out. Connect, melt and release. And I feel tears in my eyes. I don't know why. I feel my throat, I feel my heart. I just breathe in and out. I don't have to know the cause. I don't have to know why or the story, what's happening, the cause, the painful moment. No, I just can be aware in the moment. I feel more pressure in my throat. I breathe in and out and let it go. So connect, melt, release. You can do every moment in every situation. But take time for yourself to sit in a quiet place and connect, melt, release. And it's like practicing for the marathon. Connect, melt, release to live this in your life. Give it time. Have patience. And you don't have to solve anything. You don't have to have a solution. Because the best part is the connection with your body. How more you connect with your body, how more space there is for new consciousness. So that's the contribution of the human beings. Oh my gosh. Breathe in and out. And all your thoughts, breathe in and out. Everything what's happening, breathe in and out. If you feel it tucked or devaluated, feel it. It's yours. It's nobody else. If you want to blame others because you feel unhappy or unhealthy or angry, take that, own it. Feel your body. Breathe in and out. And if you're ready, breathe in and out. Open your eyes. Welcome on Earth, welcome back. This is the water girl in the forest. You're doing great, you're doing amazing. Thank you so much for who you are. for your being, for your beauty, for your emotions, for everything there is with your body, your existence. Embrace.